how much sugar you will put in your bread or in your cookies. I like it. I'll make this again tomorrow. Very nice. Happy Wednesday and a very good morning to all of you. And today I want to share with you my chocolate cookies recipe without oven. So for those who doesn't have an oven, this is perfect for you guys. You can just use your normal cooking gas stove and with a pan. So now let's get started. Okay, so the ingredients that we will be using are, we need a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1 1/4 cup, and we need 50 grams of butter. This is a salted butter, and we need 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I have here vanilla essence. If you have vanilla extract, that was also fine. If you have vanilla powder, that was also fine. And I'm using brown sugar because brown sugars, I think it's much more healthier compared to the white ones. So I'm using brown sugar. And we will be needing this one. Okay, this is the chocolate chips. This is a Hershey's brand semi-sweet chocolate chips. But if you don't have something like this, you can use the alternative, which is any dark chocolate. Just chop them into small pieces and mix it in your mixture. That also works fine. So anyway, let's get started. So I have mixed the butter and the brown sugar. Brown sugar, I have put here like 1/4 cup of sugar. Brown sugar, 1/4 cup, and 40 grams of butter. The butter must become soft. So you have to remove that from the fridge like 1 hour before you are planning to make your cookies. So on this, once the butter and brown sugar, first we have to mix them very well, stir it well. So now we can add our egg. So we add our egg here, 1 egg, and just again, vanilla essence. We need 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So just 1 teaspoon of it. And then now we have to mix well. Now we have to mix well, and after this we have to put our all-purpose flour. So gradually, so we don't have to dump all together. And mix it well. Then now we have to put the remaining. Then mix again. And then on this, we add salt. Just a pinch of salt. You don't require salt. Just to balance the sweetness from the mixture, just a pinch of salt would be enough. And then mix it well again. give a good mix. This is perfect. Now, in this time, we can put our chocolate chips. So I don't put so much. That is also one of the reasons why I only add less of sugar. It's because I'm adding again another chocolate, so it will sweeten my cookies as well. So now we just have to mix this. Now this is okay. Now we have to form balls. So it will be like this. So I have finished making the balls. Okay, for this recipe, I have made how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have made 9 of this. But of course, depend of how big your balls is. But mine is quite, they are not actually the same size. Some are a little small, some are little big. But overall, I can make 9 of this. So now, we just put this in the pan. So first, we have to grease our pan. Either butter you're gonna use or cooking oil, so the cookie doesn't stick on the pan. Although this is non-stick, but still we have to grease our pan. So here we'll put our cookies and we have to flatten it. So now we have to cover this and cook for around 20 minutes in a slow flame. Again, in a slow flame, otherwise your cookies will get burned. In a slow flame. So now let's check our cookies. So now this is okay for me. They just flip this over for like let's say 3 minutes. Just do it 3 minutes. Actually, on the others, this side doesn't require to cook this side, but I just want to do it this way. So I'm just doing it like for 3 minutes. Just leave it in the pan for 3 minutes. In a slow flame. I want also crunchy cookies. So let's just leave it for 3 minutes more. Now 3 minutes is over. Now we have to remove this from the pan. Cooking in this side just optional, okay? So guys, our chocolate cookie is ready. So we have to cool down this first. It's on the plate. I don't have those rack where you could put your cookies. So I don't have those, so I'm just doing it on the plate. And let's just taste one. So you look at, see? I already have the bite. See, look at the color. It's nice. I've tasted, it's nice. Not sweet. Not perfect. Because I didn't put so much of sugar. So hot. See? So hot. Very nice. It's always nice. It's always the best. It's always the best. It's always the best when you make your bread or cookies at home, because in that way you can control the sugar. You will decide how much sugar you will put in your bread or in your cookies. I like it. Mm. Mm. I'll make this again tomorrow. Very nice. So that's all for today, guys. This is the recipe that I could able to share with you. This is the chocolate chips cookies. It's easy to make. Really perfect for snacking to the kids, to our kids. And this is of course much healthier compared what we get from outside. And okay, that's all for today. I will see you on my next one. Bye!